Where do you guys see the biggest areas of weakness inside the portfolio, especially with the types of companies you're investing in? Service based, like it's more in some of these sectors where I would imagine sales and relationships is the main go to market driver. So, where do you see the opportunity areas or areas of weakness or places where these companies need to actually build sophistication to build a better business to get you to the type of outcomes?
There are a couple of areas that are pretty consistent. One is we are looking much more forward in the business in terms of where we're going to take it and how we're going to predict where the business is going in creating a much more sophisticated forecasting process that has historically been in the business. Because oftentimes in these, bootstrap founder owned businesses, they've been run for cash. It's been more of a look back than a look forward. What we have the opportunity to do is help them really look forward and have the headlights of where does the business need to go and where is it going and how can we tell what road it should be taking to get there? We spend a lot of time on that. The second thing is because the balance sheets of the company are typically the founder's personal net worth, they've not had capital to do corporate development and M&A. I think we're helpful in establishing the criteria for M&A and add-ons that can either enhance the service offerings of the business by expanding them or geographic expansion and providing the expertise to help navigate that, identify those targets, reach out and connect with those targets and qualify them while the management team is running the business. And then at the point that we identify something that we think is actionable, engage them.
A lot of times, as Rich mentioned, a lot of the companies we invest in haven't done M&A before, or if they have, it's been at a much smaller scale. And so out of the gate, we kind of teach them the Lightview way, if you will, from a corporate development perspective and help them due diligence, negotiate the legal docs and the terms, handle the financing piece while they're focused on fleshing out the strategic cultural fit and working on integration. And so it allows us to kind of dual track those growth initiatives, but then it also gets the team kind of to a point when we exit that they have a self-sustaining M&A playbook and understanding, what the best practices are in doing those.